5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good morning. Good morning to my friends around New York State, around the country, around the world. Once again, I'm here in Punta Cana, and I'm here in the B.A.M market, B.A.M market, B.A.M, B.A.M, Buenos Aires market, okay? I'm standing in front of the Presidente beer display because I want to show you. This is the regular beer. But what's taken over in this country is this. This is their light beer. Frankly, I like the regular beer. I don't like the light beer. I weigh a little more for it, but so be it. This is the light beer, very popular. There's 3 sizes. There's this size, there's a regular size, and a jumbo size. But the taste is a little different with the jumbo, and the taste is different with this too. I'll put that back. Okay. Now, last time I was here, I said the store has everything. It does. It has just about everything you would need if you want to do a little cooking in your own condominium. This is the place to come. It's great. The staff is friendly, and also they have home delivery. Ustedes tienen cosas para llevar también, sí? Un home delivery. They have home delivery. They'll bring it right to your apartment. Just call them up. They'll put it together. They speak enough English to get it done. You don't have to speak Spanish, okay? It's not necessary to speak Spanish. They have everything. If you want cigars, I'm just going to walk out of here for a second. Okay. Okay, to my friends that are cigar smokers, they do have cigars. They're cigars. They're made here. They're not imported. They're not from. These are local cigars. They have. Okay. If you want to take a whole box of cigars home, they have boxes of cigars. You don't have to take individuals. You want to? They have it. They have it here. You see it? Okay. And the prices are good. This is Oliva cigar. Oliva is a very high quality cigar, and they have them here. They have a lot of things. Okay. Now, we're going to walk over to the dairy product section, which I find extremely interesting, and it has its own history and story. We're continuing with the dairy section. This is something I want to show everyone because this is Sosua. This is from Sosua. It's a city to the north. The story of Sosua is a story in itself. And for those interested, check out the history of Sosua and the dairy industry. It goes back about 70 years for a reason. The reason Sosua is very famous. Actually, it's famous all over the world now. Their cheese, this is just the butter. We need butter. Now, they do have imported butter. Now, I thought this was made here because of President. No, this is from France. It's from France, okay? It's available all over the world, but this is from France. Okay. And they have the American, the made in the States, Philadelphia. They have this here. They have all the products you would want. If you want meat products, here. They have the meat products, everything that you need. Also, and this is for you that want like a can of beer. Look at this, Presidente in a can. Yeah, I've never had it in a can, by the way. And they have it cold, not just on the shelves. They do have, I'm going to show you, they do have it refrigerated. Okay, I'll cut with this now. Barceló. It's Barceló. Aquí, allá, calidad, siempre. Remember that? I do. Okay. Here's one of the premium Ron Barceló, the Dorado, and this is a premium premium bottle of rum. The rum is good here, really. If you like rum, Bill, if you're watching, Bill, my friend Bill, okay, this is what you want. Now, this is one of the best ones. Now we're going to show one of the best ones. Barcelo Gran Añejo. This is what you want. Okay? These others are good. This is best. We have good, better, best. This is best. Can you see that? Okay. I don't want. All right. I don't have any assistant here. Oh. Okay. Now we'll move on to the other section. But that's pretty much, I just want to emphasize, anything you really need here, you can get. I'm going to buy some bread. And I didn't think I'd be able to get a quality bread here. I never used to. I have a quality bread. So, yeah, this is, it's a friendly, this is very quiet. Oh, by the way, today's Sunday. So that's why it's so quiet, why you don't see a lot of customers here. During the week, very busy. So it'll get busier later on. It's just early. It's only about 11 o'clock in the morning here. So, okay? Great. And we've got here fresh mangoes, fresh pineapple, piña, guineos, papaya, bananas. You want lemons, limones, they have that fresh. Avocados, everything's fresh. Oh, one word of caution. When you buy an avocado, if you're going to eat it that day, check to make sure it's ripe. The pineapples are pretty much ripe all the time. Okay? All right. 3, 2, 1. Okay, friends, this is part of the refrigerated section. And if you want juice, they have juice. They want orange juice. Where's the orange juice? Well, they have orange juice, and here's they have little packages of milk. You want milk? This is a refrigerated section, but don't be surprised. Don't be surprised if you see milk on a shelf unrefrigerated. It's for example, here, señor, caballero, dámelo un paquete de no, sí, eso, sí. Sí. Okay, I want to show you. This is milk here. It's not refrigerated. They put it on the shelf. It's fine. Just when you get home, refrigerate it. Sometimes you will find, if you need it right away, they do keep some refrigerated. But this is their milk. It's rica milk. Rica actually means delicious. And this is what you want. This is real milk. Oh, it's 4%, by the way. It's 4% milk, whole milk, okay? I don't know if they have half a lower percentage. They might, I don't know. Okay. Part of the store. This is the coffee section. I like Dominican coffee. This is the ground. This is already ground. Chances are this is fresher than the beans. They have beans. Beans will say en grano. I'll try to find here. The orange is en grano. The beans, the ground is the red. So chances are that since most of you won't have a grinder in your hotel, you might have a grinder, but this is what I would recommend more people buy it. It's fresher. I'm going to buy a few pounds of this right after I make the video. I'll buy a few pounds of the red. I used to buy the beans, but I just didn't feel the beans were as fresh as the ground. Okay. In fact, I'm taking all 4 packages before somebody takes it. Okay, folks, I'll see you all later. They only have 4 ground on the shelf. I want to grab it. Okay, thanks.